Hi everyone, welcome to Get Code Help. I'm Deepak and I'm here to make coding simple and fun for you. If you are new to React or just starting out, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into how to create your first React app, a must-known skill for any React beginner. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Before we create our React app, we need to set up environment. React requires Node.js and npm, which are tools to run JavaScript and manage packages. If you don't have them, head to nodejs.org, download the latest version, and install it. To check if it's installed, open your terminal or command prompt and type node-v and npm-v. You should see version number. If not, pause the video and install Node.js. Let's move on. Now let's create our first React app using tool called create react app. Open your terminal, navigate to a folder where you want your project and run npx create react app and the project name. So in my case, project name is my first app or we can say hello world. So project will be creating. Let's move to project directory using cd and the project name hello world. Let's run the project. Type the command npm start. It should open the browser on localhost 3000. The project is now started on localhost 3000 port and we can see spinning of React logo. So this is done now. Let's take a quick look at the project files. Open the project folder in your code editor. I'm using VS Code. You will see src folder, which is where we will write our code, and a public folder with the index.html file. The main file we will work on app.js in the src folder. It's the starting point of our application. Open app.js and you will see some default code that creates the page you saw on the browser. Let's make a small change to the personalize our application. In app.js, we will replace the content with our own with hello world. So let's replace, remove this and add a p tag, which is paragraph, and write hello world and save it. We will see the application will be changed on the browser side. Once we saved the file, we will see that browser updated automatically with our new message, which is hello world. That's the magic of React host reloading. It makes development super fast. Before we wrap up, here is a challenge for you. Change the background color of your application. Hint, you can add style to a paragraph tag in app.js like style background light blue. Try it now and let me know how it goes in the comments. You are now ready to start building with React. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more React content. In the next video, we will explore how to add styles to your React app to make it look awesome. See you there.